them birds. They're loving this. Cash after midnight, I'm making that. Big dog ain't no way she miss. Baby, yeah, where we make them hits and get paid for.
I'm running out of batteries right now.
Are you? New Orleans.
Look, they're all going crazy right now. And there's some fish in there too.
Think so? I thought it was just cow piss and shit.
Dude, look at the birds. They're all going crazy right now.
I know, look.
Whoa.
You can see them.
Are you taking video right now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Say what's up, Dan.
Hey.
Yeah.
You guys are having fun.
You ain't getting money. You just doing it for kids.
We're all having fun.
Alright, well, this is Humbug Valley in this wireless moment at sunset, and we having a good time. We enjoying this. Oh, you just scared them. Where'd they all go?
Where'd they go?
They're gone. You clapped and they're gone.
They're just
there they are.
Look at it. Oh,
whoa, they're back.
Look at that.
Look
at now they're in close together.
They're gonna run away, man. Alright, well, that was some cool shit. Again. Oh, they're back. They're back. Well, anyway, the birds are freaking wilding out in this freaking little creek, and we're having some fun. All right, like.